Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to take a quick tour of Back Road or Fort Augusta Drive in Portmore. So we are currently at the intersection of George Lee Boulevard and Port Henderson Road, and we're now turning left onto Port Henderson Road and heading towards Back Road or Fort Augusta Drive. So that very nice building straight ahead on the right, that used to be a hotel. I think the name of the hotel was the Forum, but it no longer operates as a hotel. But that whole complex is being renovated, and I'm not sure if the tall building is going to be used as apartments, but I know on the ground level they are building townhouses around it. Okay, it says Bayfront Villa and Apartments. So I guess the tower will be used as apartments. And then you have the villas on the ground level. Okay, so now we just turned on to Fort Augusta Drive. And as we said, this is also known as Back Road. This is like the hip strip in Portmore. A lot of activity happens here at night. You have hotels, restaurants, bars. A lot of activity happens here at night. A subscriber actually said we should drive on this road at night, so we will come back and make that video very soon at night. Now on the right is the Kingston Harbor. You can get a very nice view of the coastline of Kingston. Okay, so this section now is a very large fishing village. So you can see on the right, you have the person selling the fish on the roadside. And then behind those stalls, you'll see the boats. So the fishermen just go out, catch a fish, and come back and sell it right there. Now this is Jolly's restaurant on the right. A lot of restaurants and hotels on this strip. This is very popular. Very popular road. I think the only other place you'd get nicer food than out here is probably Hellshire Beach or Port. There's another beach, a private beach. I think it's Port Henderson Beach. But outside of the beaches, this is where you're going to get the best food in Portmore. Outside of Hellshire, this is where you'll get the best food in Portmore. Alright, so if we were to continue straight now, we would go back onto the Portmore Expressway. But we're going to turn back around here because we don't want to go on the expressway. Here you can see the sign, Norman Manor International Airport, and the T2 toll road. Because the Portmore Expressway is a toll road. It's part of Highway 2000. So we're heading back towards Port Henderson Road now. Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour with us today. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Also leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.